I'm Darren.
Is that all the couples? Owl. Hi, my name's Alex, and you saw me the last video.
Yeah, you saw us the last video, but now it's time for the pop explosion to the bottle. Okay, check out these nice little immersion bottles.
And me and Darren
We're gonna shoot them with
there's a helicopter.
some gas. Oh my god, this is not. The sun's so bright. Oh, one sec. We have some unexpected issues with a helicopter. Helicopter! Where are you? Get off my lawn!
He's up there.
Helicopter! You better get off my lawn!
Okay, we're
Sorry.
sorry about that, Tyler and other people.
Yeah, we did not expect a helicopter to come and try and ruin the video.
Okay, me and Darren are both gonna have a pop can to shoot.
Yeah, no, we're gonna shoot this one right here. See the one I'm pointing out with my gun? We're gonna shoot that one once together. Then this one, we're gonna constant fire it for like a few seconds. All right, Alex, would you mind setting up the cam so that it can see the first pop can?
Yep.
Let's see. Can you see that pop can?
Yep, I can see both of them.
Okay, now, now, is your gun ready? Oh, wait, mine's not ready.
You're like, now, is your gun ready? And then, oh, wait, mine's not ready. Mine's
Okay,
fine.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Look at that! Look at that! Look at all that blood!
It's watering the plant.
Maybe we should smoke weed. This pop can be smoking weed.
We both hit it, so like our both of ours squeeze out at the same time.
Oh, and there's pop already on the camera. I did not expect that to happen so soon, and it's still recording. Good. Sorry about that last time when the video cut off. We did not mean for that to happen.
Yeah, our score is kind of.
Yeah, we don't really know what happened.
Yeah. Now we do. So we deleted some videos. Not of YouTube. We didn't.
Yeah, because he can't really do that.
No, he kind of can't. But we did it off our camera because they were already posted on YouTube. So now for the second bottle.
Wait, stop. Woohoo! Oh yeah, soda feet. You can buy soda feet. Woohoo! Wait, is there a bullet in here? Wait, maybe we don't have, there's ammo in here. Soda ammo! Yeah, maybe there is.
There is.
Ow! Alex, can you get this open?
Yeah.
Now let's try and get our ammo back. I just can't believe that was so awesome! Can you, YouTube? Oh, man.
Right there, right there, right there.
Right there. Ooh. Here, Alex. There's some ammo. Yeah. What? Alex, you can just put it straight into your gun. Through there.
Where? Through
the hole.
Oh, yeah, double barrel?
No, through there. Through the hole where it comes out, you can also put them in. What if somebody shot at each other at the same time and the bullets landed in the gun? And then the gun exploded? Okay, so, sorry about that, YouTube. Okay, if you didn't like that, but anyway, it's time.
And my gun especially is kind of cool because mine, I can put 2 in there at a time. So mine can shoot 2 bullets.
Mine reloads faster, too. Okay, now, go! What the? Sorry about that, YouTube. We had some technical difficulties or something, but
our guns didn't even put a hole in it.
Yeah! What's up with that?
Let us reload.
Let's reload and try and power it up. Okay, tell me when you're...
Me?
Yeah, you. I'm talking to you! 3, 2, 1, shoot! Oh, let's shoot some more!
Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez!
Kill it with fire! Literally.
I learned fire, fire.
Learn from Jacksepticeye. Fire.
What the? What did you shoot?
I tried to shoot a pop can, but it didn't want to. Okay, that was a little awkward.
Let's do it again.
Are you guys kidding me? With them new pops? Give me the gun.
You gonna break them?
What the hell are you two thinking? Both of you, get some of your money. How many did you shoot?
I'll go get some money.
How many did you shoot?
What are you doing?
When we get home, you guys are cleaning that.
Sorry about that, YouTube, but guess it has to end. Bye.